been way too long.
Yeah, it is.
We used to camp here every summer.
Suit up.
Get together, get closer. 1, 2, everyone say fifth wheel.
Fifth wheel!
Oh my God, is that what my hair looks like?
Relax, enjoy it. These woods won't even be here in the next few years.
This looks familiar. Really? Yes.
Close, guys.
Can somebody Uber us a cab?
Andy!
Shh. Let's go.
I thought you said there was nothing out here.
What?
Danger, please! Please open the door, please!
What the hell is that thing?
That just chased us here. How long you been here?
Might as well get comfortable. What the hell's it doing? I think it just knows more about this place than we do.
It herded us here, eating what it can and saving the rest as prey. How else can you explain it?
Do you think cramming in a room makes us safe? I think it makes us sardines. All we have to do is give it something to chew on.
Like what?